Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back with another stock video update. I am your host and favorite trader, Tesla to Tesla. I am looking at this stock and I am very interested to see what it can do between now and the election, which is going to be happening here in a few days. November 5th. Today's the 28th. DJT up 20% today. 20% today. Come on, I told you in the last video, 500% move incoming. It's up 20% today. Look what we have here. Let's go ahead and just jump right into the video. Boom. Look at that week chart of straight up price action. I told you guys, look at these last 3 weeks of buying with the election. Now, what happens if Donald Trump loses the election? I don't know. This stock might tank. It already essentially kind of did. We were working our way back. As you can see on the overall, we opened here with a big jump up to $175 a share before quickly, within that same week, returning back to about 96, trying to push back to 130, and then also losing back down to under 100 to about $53. But with him and his name and all the media surrounding him currently, the stock has been pushing. I started watching this stock back at $11 and I was unsure just because of all that downward push, but boom, look what happened. We are back. We are back. So, what do we think? I think if he wins for sure, we come back and at least try to touch our $70 recent high. I say we can do it just because, man, oh man, it is interesting to see. But, all right, so week chart, let's see. I mean, pretty much just straight up momentum, even though the last previous weeks were down. We are just now kind of getting back to a place here. Let's go ahead and, just because that move today was so drastic, 20% today, if we end up giving that back, that's fine. I don't think we do. I think we push for $50 next. A nice push up to 50 and consolidate will definitely spark my interest even more. This is the week chart. Let's take down just to make sure my lines are making sense on a smaller time frame as well. One thing I will say is very little consolidation, just push-ups, which that doesn't necessarily mean something bad all the time. Doesn't necessarily mean something bad all the time, but I do like to see some consolidation, foundation building before the push-up moves, because typically when you just run up, you end up eventually running down, and the rundowns are typically more scary, more pricey of a mistake than the run-ups. You might miss out on money on a run-up, but typically you lose money on a push down. So that's the one thing I will say. And then look, you got this inflection point here and this one right here. So yeah, I am definitely watching this price area here. But yeah, I mean, money has been made. I think there's still some money to be made. We're giving up a little bit of that 20%, but still 18% today. I mean, SPY is only up what, 0.5, not even. Tesla up like 1%. So, I mean, if you're talking about a money maker, move maker, again, I only like stocks. A trading day for me is a stock moving at least 2.5%. If it's anything less than that, it's really just not worth it to me personally. So here we are looking at a stock up 18%, 20% in one day. I actually started watching this stock this morning. It was up 10% at open to then go another 10 through the trading day. Wow. Say what you want about the man and the election and politics. Listen, I like stocks that make money. I don't care essentially what name or person owns or is attached to it. All right. I am in it for my own personal benefits and gains. And this is one I am definitely keeping my eye on. All right. So that was the day chart. The trading day isn't even over, honestly. So I don't really think there's a reason to tick down. Let's go to the 4-hour at least. See if we can find some consolidation in here. A little bit of consolidation. Not really. A lot of indecisive around our 38 to 46 price. So I'm looking to maybe have it to come back down and retest some of these alerts. I got one set at 41. I got another one pretty much right here on the money. Let's push that up a little bit. We'll bring this one up as well. But yeah, nice big buy-in at early morning Monday. So that says a lot. Like I said, the election coming up. So I expect this stock to really do well personally. All right, that is all my time. I am out. I am actually still in a few trades myself, so I have to go check on those again. I'm Traveling Trader, Tesla to Tesla. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And yeah, that's me. Signing out. Peace.